Hi everybody, well welcome back. It's been a little while since I've done a video, but here we are. Managed to score some nice Hot Wheels recently, and today we'll be unboxing this Hot Wheels 5-pack car meet. It's a pretty nice set. As you can see, we'll be unboxing these and displaying each one of the 5 models. So we'll just put the camera down here and we'll get the turntable ready, and we will investigate what's inside this pack. So here we go. So that's the car meet pack. Obviously there's some graphics on the side, but a blurb on the back as to what cars are in there. Get a bit of focus going, there you go. So rise early and let your car shine at the Hot Wheels car meet. And on the back, tilt it over a bit, you can see some nice graphics on there. So we'll take that to one side. We'll put the turntable in there, get them going. There we go. Turntable's ready to rock and roll. Get the camera set up, and we'll be opening up this set for us to have a look at. So this COVID-19 lockdown has obviously caused quite a few issues with supply of Hot Wheels around the world. Certainly we're not immune from that here in New Zealand, and we have had very scant pickings of late. So just open up this box and pull out the pack. Rightio, first car out of the pack is the 2012 Corvette Z06, or Z06 as you guys say in the States. And we'll just grab him out of the pack. It's quite stuck in there. There we go. Here we go. That's it right there. Real nice looking car. Beautiful in yellow. As I say, these are more of a mainline car, so there's not a lot of front and back detail on them. Pretty nice white wheels. Nice Corvette insignia on the side. Nice tampos. No tail light detail to speak of, but pretty nice looking car. So nice tinted windows, nice yellow colour, some Corvette graphics on there, looking pretty sharp. And a second car in the 5-pack, number 2, is the 2010 Camaro SS, and this is quite a nice car, and sort of a dark blue, like a midnight blue, and it's got the bumper on the front, obviously some type of patrol car, police car I suppose you could say, and that certainly looks pretty nice. Nice gold wheels, nice tampos on the side, light blue tinted glass and dark blue with the tampos on, and obviously the lights on the top. It's got security on the side, so I guess it's a security / patrol car. Okay, number 3 of the 5-car set is the 2010 Ford Mustang GT, and this is a particularly nice car. There we go. Check that out. That's pretty neat. Red Mustang, black spoiler on the front, black tinted or dark black tinted windows. Very dark grey wheels, and it's got coils on the side, so I presume that must be Julian Coils, who does a lot of the art. I could be wrong. If I am, sorry Julian. But that's a pretty nice looking car, so sort of nice red, got some nice tampos on it and some nice wheels as well. Pretty smart looking car. Number 4 out of 5 is probably my favourite in the set, is the BMW 2002. I've got quite a few of these. I've done a little bit of a video. If you want to check back through my videos, you'll actually see a video that's dedicated specifically to this model. Might have to do an update now that I've got another one, but obviously it's got 02 on the side. It's got the BMW Motorsport colours with the red and the purple and blue and white stripes, blue rims on the wheels, all black, nice tampos on it, on the bonnet, and a tan interior, which actually looks pretty cool. So this would actually be quite a neat car to customise, maybe do a wheel swap on it, maybe one day when I get around to doing some customs. Rightio, and lucky last, and this is the one that everybody's been going nuts over, and the reason why this 5-pack is so hard to find in New Zealand, because everybody's been snaffling them up just to get the 71 Datsun 510. And I don't mind the Datsun 510. I certainly prefer the BMW, but there you go. There's the Datsun 510 in a sort of grey paint job, kind of swirly sort of patterns all over it. Pretty cool. Dark wheels with the sort of coppery gold rims. Dark interior, tinted glass, and nice chrome headlights and chrome spoiler. And obviously it's got the yellow, the round white piece on the front there to put a racing number, I would presume. So sort of Japanese racing deco. Pretty cool looking car. So that is all 5. So that's the complete 5-car set. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. It's only a short video today. We've got quite a few to get through. Recently picked up quite a number of cars, so I've got to get my act together and get a few videos out. But as I say, thanks for all the messages of goodwill over the lockdown, and we do appreciate it. And we're getting back to normal here in New Zealand. Looks as though we're going to be going to our level 1, which is pretty much back to normal next week. And business can get rolling again and people can start to earn a bit of money. So thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate all the comments and the well wishes. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching and take care out there. Cheers.